everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn 10 lines on Earth. Earth is the planet we all live on. It is the third planet from the Sun in our solar system. Earth has land, water and air, making it perfect for life. About 70% of Earth is covered with water. Earth has different landforms like mountains, rivers, forests and deserts. It is the only planet we know that has life on it. Earth has a protective layer called the atmosphere. The atmosphere gives us air to breathe and keeps us safe from the sun's rays. Earth rotates, which gives us day and night. We should take care of Earth by keeping it clean and protecting nature. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe my channel.